Welcome back, guys. As you can see, we are playing Subway Surfers. Yes, I played this like 7 years ago, and it was awesome. And I got like top 2 for like one of the best players on my Facebook thing. Yeah, okay, we're gonna play it. It's gonna be awesome. If I had to put this, then I gotta say, I'm 2.5 points away from pro. That's how I'm gonna put it, okay? Okay, let's do this. And I played this once, and as you can see, I went that far. Stars are my favorite, yes. No. I gotta do that. I scratching myself, sorry. Jump, yes. I like it when it gets faster. Jump. Magnet, yes. I'm gonna try to beat my score. Jump, jump. Yes, the star, my favorite. Okay, let's go on top. This is going okay so far. No. Okay. Good. Going good so far. Yes. Money. Cha-ching. Imagine that was V-Bucks. That would be awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Won't you be so happy if you can convert Robux into V-Bucks? Because I have a tons of Robux that my brother got, and he doesn't even play Roblox. How are you supposed to write that? That's cheap. So it'll be awesome if I can convert that into V-Bucks. I'm starting to get dizzy. Yes. Jump. Yes, I got one of those things. Star. Yes. Like the video if you think Star Lord is awesome. Well, except for the Infinity War part. That was very... Let's go. Beat my score. And even if I die, I can revive right now. Because I have no more keys. I went this far. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. No. No. Oh, no. That was close. Yes. Yay. I got 3 hoverboards. Let's go to me. Yes, I got 3 of these. Yay. Blah, blah, blah. Characters. It's really hard to earn coins. Manny says they. Number 1 is not Thursday. Number 2, what does Manny Oh, this is Manny. Isn't this like supposed to be something from Coco? Get now. Free from any purchase. Okay, guys. I gotta go to the shop. Wait. I don't want a key. I don't want money. Well, I kinda do want money. No, the thing I wanted to get was that last hut. Okay, let's try one more time. Slow and steady. Yes, the star. What was that? I'm pretty sure I went on there. Yes. Yes. Another star. Now the star is really going high. Yes, chest. Please, I wish I get the heart. Then I can get a new character. Okay. Oh, that was very risky. No. Okay. Sorry. How how are you supposed to survive that? That was just cheap. Yes, I need 199 more to get his character. Okay. Jump, jump. Yes, the magnet. And the next game I'm gonna play is gonna be Granny. It's a mobile game. It's been like up on the trending list for a while now, and the one if I do that, then you're gonna hear a lot of screams from me. I actually scream very loud, so yeah. That's gonna be probably tomorrow. Yes. I hate when you get the bouncy boost and you jump and then it just stops and it says you're out of the bouncy stuff. Yes. Okay, let's go. Yes, I got that. Yes. Hop, hop, shoe. Okay. I almost jumped. That was really close. No. Okay. Now it's really getting very fast. Yeah. How are you supposed to get that? Can somebody explain to me? How are you supposed to get that? That was really close. Yes, that was awesome. This is... Oh, no. Yes, I gotta have a board. Yes, I'm just gonna buy one more thing at the shop. Okay. Please. No, I don't want a key. Last chance, please. No, I want a hat. Okay, that's it for this video. Have a good day. Please like and subscribe. And bye.